Sanibona bafethu, so namhlanje uSuperSport kunepost ayikhiphile namhlanje, yabo. Kade ethi Prime Thulani Serero versus Prime Thembazwane. Who are you taking between the two? Yabo, between the two. Ngala ka left sino Serero, ngala ka right sino Zwane. Yabo, abadlala ngempela. Menikhumbula bafethu Thulani Serero ubuyile la eSouth Africa, usesayini weCape Town City ube free agent. Yabo, iclub ade idlalela le eSaudi Arabia. Iphelile icontract khona ubuyele la eSouth Africa manje usedlala le eKapa yabo la kweBetway Premiership khona nje la kweBetway Premiership. So mina ngithe yazini awuthi ngibheke ama achievements alabadlali labo bawu2 indlela yabo abakhula ngakhona. uSerero wakhula indlela ehlukile kuneyazwane noZwane wakhula indlela ehlukile kuneyaSerero yabo. In terms of playing yabo, you can say they play similar kind of way yabo. Bobawu2 ngokwami acishe bangidlalela ibhola elicishe lifane yabo. uThembazwane, it's a pity ukuthi uThembazwane is that kind of player ohleze bemcomparison yabo. uThembazwane is that kind of player baningi abantu abahlezi becomparison uThembazwane yabo. uThembazwane sebamcomparison noPercy Tau, uThembazwane sebamcomparison noDr Khumalo, baningi nje. Even Tito Maswanganye if I'm not mistaken yabo. Last season uThembazwane becomparison noTito Maswanganye. uThembazwane is that type of player. So ngizobheka indlela labajida labo bawu2 Thulani Serero noThembazwane in their prime yabo, in their prime. Ngizoqala ngoThulani Serero, kuyiclub ayidlalela yabo. Wayedlalela amaGunners ngo2000 to 2004. Wasuka lapho waya kwi-AS Cape Town Youth Academy. Waya kwi-AS Cape Town Youth Academy ngo2004 until 2008 yabo. Wajoyina ku-main team ya-AS Cape Town. Ilapho khona wafika wadlala kahle yabo. Wadlala kahle from 2008 to 2009 season wajoyina i-main team yabo. Yasimbona ke Ajax Amsterdam le yale phesheya. Yasimbona ukuthi cha lo mfana lo uyadlala ngempela. Umfana kumele simlande lapha eCape Town simlethe la eNetherlands. Base bemlanda ngesizini yango 2011-2012 lapho khona ke uThulani Serero wafika kwayibonakalisa khona njengomdlali okwazi ukudlala. Wadlala ama games amaningi uThulani Serero. Menikhumbula kahle la uThulani Serero wayedlala sekwadlala against uLionel Messi yabo. Baningi nje ama stars asekadlala against wona yabo. Even no Neymar, abo Suarez, abo Xavi yabo. uSerero wafika lapha kweAjax wazenzela igama yabo. Wadlala ngempela umjide. Wathi esesuka ngesizini ya 2017-2018 wajoyina iclub yakhona futhi eNetherlands iVTC yabo. Wajoyina on a free transfer. Wathi esesuka khona wahamba wajoyina iAl Jazeera yabo. Al Jazeera ngesizini ya 2019-2020. Wathi esesuka futhi khona ngo2023-2024 wajoyina le club le iKhor Fakkan yabo. Yaphela icontract khona. Kwathi ngesizini ka2024-2025 usebuyilele la eSouth Africa. Usela eSouth Africa usezodlala ibhola la, even though engakadlala igame, akaqala igame because basathanda kum-announce yabo. Manje ngizobheka ama achievements aseke awawina yabo. Thulani Serero I would say iprime yakhe eyilapha ngo2013-2014 yabo. 2013-2014-2015 iwona prime years lawa Thulani Serero yabo kwe career yakhe. But these are the trophies, these are the cups, these are the achievements aThulani Serero akakawawina kwi-Ajax namanye ama-club asekawadlalela yabo. Mase sibheke lapha eNetherlands, Dutch champion, uyi-3-time Dutch champion. Wayiwina ngo2013-2014, wayiwina ngo2012-2013, wayiwina ngo2011-2012 yabo. Ungasho ukuthi wayiwina 3 times in a row next Cape Town yabo. Ne-Ajax Amsterdam le ayidlalela le Netherlands. Mase wawina futhi i-1 Dutch Super Cup, wawina i-Dutch Super Cup. Wase wahamba wayele e-UAE wafika waba i-champion futhi nakhona 2020-2021 season. Waphinde futhi wawina i-Super Cup yabo lapha e-UAE yabo. So umchide nje lo olandelwa ama-achievements everywhere he goes. Each and every club he plays for uyawina yabo. Ngaphandle kwale yasathana kubuya kuyona yabo. Udlala isizini eyodwa kule club ade idlalela wase wahamba ke yabo. Mase sibheke ama competition asakawadlalela yabo. Wayidlalela iSuper Cup, Dutch Super Cup, wayiwina. Wadlala ama-AFCON, wadlala ama-AFCON ngo2013, waphinde wadlala ama-AFCON ngo2019 yabo. Waphinde futhi wa-attenda under 20 World Cup participant, wabi participant under 20 World Cup ngo2009 nango2010 futhi yabo. Wabi number 1 best assist provider e-AS Cape Town ngo2010-2011 yabo. Wabe i-champion ye-UAE Pro League yabo. Waphinde ade sengiwabalile lawa amanye. but waparticipate kawu-4 ku-Champions League yabo, waparticipate kawu-4 ku-Champions League ehamba ne-Ajax Amsterdam yabo. So umjida lo mfethu onawo ama-achievements, but sengizobheka ama-achievements aThemba Zwane. Ngizobheka ama-achievements aThemba Zwane because now Themba Zwane bafethu is one of the best players la eSouth Africa esesawaproduce yabo. He is the best local born player osekwadlala la eSouth Africa ku-Betway Premiership, osekwadlala nje la ku-PSL. Sengizobheka ke awaThemba Zwane, uwena ozongitshela ama-comments ukuthi ngokwakho ubani umdlali ombona owabantswempu ku-Premier yakhe between the two players. Lana ke sinoThemba Zwane. Themba Zwane ama-youth club zakhe kwabi-M Tigers neVados FC yabo. Wathi suka kwiVados FC wajoyina iMamelodi Sundowns ngo-2010 2011 season. Wajoyina iSundowns ngo-2010 2011 season. Wathi ke suka kwiMamelodi Sundowns ngo-2013 2014 yamlona iSundowns, yamlona kuMpumalanga Black Aces. Mina ikhumbula iMpumalanga Black Aces okuyiclub eyidlala ngempela yabo. Seyashintshwa manje seyaba yiCape Town City, but ke asikho lapho. Wathi wabuya mjida since abuya ngo-2013 2014 kwi-Sundowns nje udlala kamnandi kwi-Sundowns yabo. Yamlona kanye iSundowns wabuya umjida because wafika lapha kwiMpumalanga Black Aces wafika wadlala kahle, yamlanda ke iSundowns. Mase sibheka ama-achievements aThemba Zwane. 2015 2016 wawina i-league, 2017 2018 wawina i-league, 2018 2019 wawina i-league, 1920 wawina i-league, 2021 wawina i-league, 21-22 wawina i-league, 22-23 wawina i-league, 23-24 wawina i-league. He's a 8-time South African champion. Sekwawina iBetway Premiership kawu-8 yabo. Sewina ama-South African Cup winner kabili. Usewine kahle ama-Telkom amabili yabo. Usawina i-MTN 8 A1 la wina khona ngo-2021 2022 season. I-Nedbank usayiwine kani, wayiwina ngo-2021 2022 season futhi nakhona. Mase kwi-Champions League wayiwina futhi neSundowns 2015 2016. Mase kwi-CAF Super Cup wawina i-CAF Super Cup neMamelodi Sundowns ngo-2016 2017. Wasiwawina i-African Football League ngo-2023 2024 yabo. Lo mjida ngempela uyabonakala ukuthi umjida onama-achievements amaningi kwi-cabinet yakhe, ma-trophies amaningi asekawanikeza iMamelodi Sundowns. But ke the difference between the two players ngokwami, the difference between the two players bobawu-2 badlala kamnandi, bobawu-2 badlala ibhola elimnandi, bobawu-2 baphika in different years. Lo waphika esayintwana esala ku-19 18 20 21 kuyali. Lo uphike esela ko-27 28 kuya ku-30. Uphike esayintwana, uphike esemdala yabo. Career yakhe ibiyinhle because ibeyidlalela le phesheya. Career yakhe ibiyinhle because ubedlala la eSouth Africa yabo. Ngeke ngaze ngangitshela ama-comments but mina nginikeze ama-achievements abo nezinto bayiphasisibethela yabo. Themba Zwane sesiyamazi bafethu sekwayidlalela iSundowns le kwi-Club World Cup, naye sekwayidlalela iclub beyidlalela le kwi-UAE kwi-Club World Cup. Bawu-2 bajida banayo experience kwi-Club World Cup futhi yabo. So wena ungangitshela ama-comments between the two, who is the best yabo? Who is the best in their primes? Would you take uSerero in his prime, or would you take uThemba Zwane in his prime? I'm talking about i-prime. I'm not talking about uba sekwadlalela noba, because mase ubheka uThulani Serero ngo-2013, Thulani Serero ngo-2013 wayedlala against iBarcelona. Mase sibheka uThemba Zwane ngo-2013 wayedlalela iMpumalanga Black Aces. But ke ungangitshela wena, who's the best between these two players? Asas.